VI package configurations, advanced features. Part 2. Pin a package to tell VIPM not to remove packages that we always want to keep in our package configuration, for example, after scanning our project. Let's look at the package configuration that we created in the last video by scanning our project for dependencies. VIPM found the OpenG Boolean library and the OpenG error library packages. Those were the only packages with VIs called by our VI. I'll go ahead and add the OpenG array library to our configuration. Let's scan our project again to ask VIPM to look and see which packages our project depends upon. In this case, our project did not actually depend on the OpenG array library. So VIPM is going to suggest that we remove that, plus it's going to suggest we remove the string and the LabVIEW data library too, which were dependencies of the array library. Imagine that I don't actually want to remove these packages. I'll hit cancel. So what I can do is I can right-click on array that I manually added and choose to pin the package. I can verify that it's pinned by seeing that the check mark is now present next to pin package. What will happen now when I scan the project for package dependencies? VIPM is still not going to find a dependency on the OpenG array library, but it will not suggest removing the OpenG array library. Now, it is suggesting we remove the dependencies, and that's a choice that we have. We see that when we do that, a missing dependency icon shows up here next to the OpenG array library. Let's add missing dependencies. That'll add those two packages back, and it will resolve that missing dependency. And I can right-click on those two packages and choose to pin them as well. Now, when I scan again, VIPM should not recommend removing any of these packages. And we see that that is the case. You might be wondering how pinning packages is actually useful in your projects. In our case, we weren't actually using the OpenG array library. However, there may be cases where we're using tools that get installed into our development environment that we're not actually calling directly inside of our project. This could be packages like the gcli for executing command lines during the build process. It could also include packages like Karaya for unit testing your application. So keep this feature in mind if you notice that VIPM is suggesting removing packages from your project that you know you need. Coming up next, we'll see how VIPM stores backups of packages inside of a VIPC file, and how and when you can choose to disable this feature for individual packages.